Say happy birthday. Okay, let's go walk the puppy. Come on. Yay. Okay. You want to go feed the puppy?
Yeah.
Okay, where's the food at?
Happy birthday! Oh, good. Go, here, get the food.
Get the food for the puppy.
Alright. Yay!
Maybe Daddy will help you get out of kibble.
Alright. There you go. We'll get one out.
Okay, give it
To
to
the
your
puppy.
puppy.
Got two. Okay. Give it to your puppy. Yay! Alright.
Give him to Shelby. Can you give him to Shelby?
I just got one of the other end.
Okay, give it to Shelby. Good job.
Yay! That's it.
Okay, let's take your puppy for a walk now so it goes poo-poo. Okay, here's the bag to pick up the poo-poo.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, pick up the poo-poo. Look, your puppy went poo-poo. Pick it up. Pick it up. Good job. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday.